If you're in your 30s and female, you should hear this. If you're not, scroll away. Vitamin gone, good, because I'm going to tell you about the HRT that I'm on because it has literally been life-saving for me. I'm not saying it's right for you. I'm saying you should talk to your doctor. I really want us to be having this conversation because nobody had it with our mothers or grandmothers, or definitely not great-grandmothers, so how could they give us the information? They couldn't. For reference, I am 41 years old. I turn 42 next month. I have been on these for quite some time, and if I was really treating my body right, I probably would have gotten on these by the time I was like 37 or 38. I also want to clear up the misconception that you need to be missing periods to be in perimenopause. That is definitely not true. And by the time you are missing periods, you're like way deep in the trenches. For a lot of women, myself included, it starts in the childbearing years, it's in your 30s, and you notice subtle differences like a little bit more anxiety, or your sleep is interrupted, or you get like weird skin issues, or your hair isn't as thick. There are like a ton of different symptoms that nobody talks about and everyone blames on a million other issues. What's even wilder is a lot of those issues are treated as mental health disorders, depression, anxiety disorders, you name it, the list goes on. And I'm not saying those aren't real. They are very real, but not 100% of the time for women in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. I'm on two different things. And again, what I'm on is not necessarily right for you. You need to talk to a doctor. This is an estradiol patch. I change it out twice a week. And the packages will tell you to put it here or here, but I actually put it over here. Sorry, it gets like a little linty, but it's a sticker, it's clear. By the way, little pro tip for someone who's been on these for quite some time, and I've spoken to a ton of different doctors and experts, forget what the package says. You got to move them around every time you apply. So you're swapping butt cheeks and hips and all that good stuff. They lay flat, the adhesive is super strong, so it doesn't matter if you work out like a maniac or if you go swimming in the ocean or you shower 4 times a day, they're not coming off, don't worry. And the patches in my case do most of the heavy lifting for my perimenopause symptoms, and I'm going to get into that, but almost immediately, I mean like maybe 2 or 3 days into wearing a patch, I was sleeping like a baby and my anxiety totally chilled the hell out. And over the course of like, I want to say 3 to 6 weeks, somewhere in there, my skin was a little bit less dry because that was a symptom for me. I had really dry skin. I hated it. And my hair got a little bit better. Like I was having a lot of hair shedding, and then that just kind of stopped. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that my dry skin is 100% resolved. It's not. I still have moderately dry skin. That could be climate related. If it used to be like 9 out of 10, like before I started the patches, now we're probably at 4 or 5 out of 10, which that is a major improvement and I am happy with it. But also beyond that, brain fog, headaches, just like mood swings, all sorts of stuff that like really gets in the way of having a good life, chilled the hell out. And if I'm being honest, probably saved my marriage. Part of that came from better quality sleep. If I'm being honest, I am a cranky bitch to everyone around me if I'm not sleeping well. A lot of it came from anxiety relief and just feeling more at home in my body. Like my body made sense to me. The body that I had gotten to know for 30 something years suddenly, well, not that suddenly, gradually had vanished. And then I got my patches and I felt like I knew my body again. And again, I'm not telling you to do this. This is not medical advice. This is my journey because people asked, and maybe it's helpful for you and maybe it's life-changing for you. And I hope that it is. In the meantime, the next thing that I added, which was, I want to say 2 or 3 months after starting the patches, my doctor wanted to see if I was responding well to the patches, if things were really improving, and that we could look at it in an isolated way. Then estrogen cream. And this is what it looks like. It comes with a little applicator that allows you to apply internally about as much as this fingernail. And for me, I'm not saying this is what you would get from your doctor. It was every night for the first 2 weeks, and then it tapered off to every other night. Now it's like a 3 nights a week thing, and I will tell you that estrogen cream, what it is known to do is to rejuvenate and revive tissues. Now, a lot of people think like, oh, I don't need that. I don't want that. My mother didn't have that, whatever. I dare you to go Google vaginal atrophy. And I mean, you don't have to. I'm sorry if that ruins your day, but like, it'll make you want the cream. Also, the cream makes your relationships like 1,000 times better. And I'm not going to get too graphic here, but I'm just saying that the cream increases blood flow and makes things just much nicer. This is getting really long. Drop any questions you have in the comments, ranging from how to get your doctor to hear you to how much all of this costs and how long you need to be on it for, whatever. I'm here to answer any of it. And also, most important, be your own advocate because nobody's going to do it for you.